Hi guys, Bleach here. Memorial Day. My mom passed away after she helped me fix this mower on Sunday. It's just really weird. Here one day, gone the next. I'm gonna try and mow with my snapper. God willing that she helped me enough and it'll work. I got it over on the other side of the car. I'm gonna edit it to when it's mowing, but maybe I'll just leave it in, I don't know, for suspense. Might also get outside my head and take a ride. We're not going to go too far, just around the block. If I'm run over, so be it. The brakes work. The deck don't. Sketchy, getting sketchy. Yep, this is the kind of shit I did when I lost my mind. This is about how fast it went, too. How I used to test the brakes, guys. My anxiety's through the roof. I'm just gonna go down this hill, not the big one by my house. Looks like somebody washed their car and drove it like to dry it. I gotta be careful, he was going too fast. We'll go up here a bit, then I'm gonna turn around. My arm's getting tired holding the camera. I thought about setting up tripods on this thing. We're gonna get a slow moving triangle and I'll go downtown just to get my meds or mail in the future. Somebody's leaking water, something. Must be I don't want to say, but basement or something, but it's alright. I worry this thing that the brakes will go out on it because I adjusted the cable. I got it on about 4 grommets. I'm just going to go up here a little more. I think there's a car pulling out in that driveway over there, so I'm just going to go by it. Could be wrong. I have to get home by 7 to let the dogs out. Gotta be careful, this deck might be a little close to the ground. I'm gonna turn around, see how it acts. Naturally stopping and slowing down, which is good for a hill. Oh, someone lost their ice cream. How terrible. You know, I'm so hard up, I would probably eat that ice cream. Going good so far. I used to go down huge hills years ago with these. I won't say where, but you see the videos. We won't talk about that. Yeah. It's hot. I'm not taking it far. Take it by where my friend used to live. Use the push mower or try to get that snapper push mower running in the garage. I'm gonna drain the gas in this thing, or maybe just take $7 to get more gas. But the priority is to mow right now. Yeah. Sadly, I'm sorry, Will. I don't think your deck's gonna work. Unless I get a longer belt. I'll have to figure that out, get help somehow. I don't know who. Maybe the neighbors that invited me over for Memorial Day would know. I'm getting too old to work on this shit. It's coming to a modify these. But at least she moves, I can drive it around. I'll have to figure out a belt size and guesstimate. What I did, I guess, almost works, but it wouldn't accommodate the stack. I'm scared to go down this big hill, wish me luck. It should be okay. I miss coming up here and seeing my friend before she moved away. So tomorrow I'll probably see if that snapper push mower runs in the garage. And I'll use it as is. And this is a real dangerous hill. I probably should keep left. See what happens. I could get hit on this. Oh, somebody's here. Hey, how's it going? Trying to be normal. I think that was the neighbor taking their golf cart out. I don't know if you saw him or not. I just need to drive something around. See, it handled the hill well, guys, but it just won't cut. Wow, that kid was good mowing all that yard. I'm okay. I'm going in the house for the night. Tell Joanne. Oh, I bet the baby loves it. Taking the little baby for a ride on the four-wheeler. Why not? People did that shit in the 80s and 90s. I didn't run into the van. Yeah, I gotta get some better batteries. We will. Look how high my grass is, guys. I'm gonna figure it out. It's always good to shut the gas off to these directly to the carburetor so it doesn't get like those powdered donut bits in it or worse because of the ethanol.